Greetings, citizens. This is Avant-Garde Frequency speaking. I'm a musician in Second Life and the marketing manager for Group Tools, and I'm very proud to be associated with Tadao and his incredible project here. And today I'd like to show you a quick demo on exactly how Group Tools works. So we're going to do this in real time so you can see how quick and easy it is to send out notices for whatever it is you need to communicate to the grid about. Whether you're a musician or a venue owner or an artist manager or a vendor and you've been sending notices out by hand, you're not doing it right. Let's take a look. First thing we're going to do is we're going to launch the Group Tools application. And this application is downloadable from the Group Tools site. Anyone in the group associated with your Group Tools bot has access to this tool. So you're not restricted to doing this yourself. You can also have other people in your group do it as well. So we've launched the application and we're simply going to log in our bot using our preset information, and we'll take a look at how you set this up in a future video. But once we've logged in, you will see that the application is going to report back and say that we successfully logged into Second Life. And what's going on is this application is launching your bot into World. You don't have to do it yourself. The application does it for you. And your bot has been prepared with a list of groups that you want to send your information to. And it's also been populated with a list of people who have access to this tool. So we're just waiting while there's a handshake between the application and the bot. The master key is resolved. In just a moment, it'll say that the Group Tool bot is ready to go. And almost done. There we go. Operators group is resolved. We can see our group list that we're going to be sending to, and we can also see the list of operators that are authorized to use this bot. So now we're just going to go back into World. We're going to open up an IM window with our bot, and we're going to retrieve the prepared note card that we have put together for this specific event. And all we're going to do is simply drop this note card onto the IM window with our bot. And the bot will then send notices to everyone in the group list. And when it's completed that process, it'll also send that same information to the group chat of every group in the group list. And all we had to do was prepare one single notice and drop it onto an IM window. So now we've got our notice. We're just going to drag it over, drop it over into the IM window of our bot, and then we'll go back to the application and we'll watch the magic. As you can see, we've already made our connection. The notice has been received, it's been interpreted, and it's already being sent to our groups. It's going to work through the entire list and send a notice to each group. And when it's completed that process, it'll do the same thing into group chat of each group. So your information is going to get out. If you have all 42 of your groups filled, you'll send 42 notices and 42 group chat notices. Kids, that's 84 notices that you're going to send out with one simple move. Prepare one note card, drop it onto the IM window of your bot, and it's gone. You're done. You can go start working on dinner or do whatever else you need to do to be prepared as a musician or as a venue owner. You've got plenty of other stuff to do besides send notices, and you just sent all your notices. I can't tell you what an incredible boon this has been for me as a performer in World. I use it. My assistant also sends notices for me using this tool, and it saves us an incredible amount of time that we can devote to doing things that are more important than typing or copy and pasting notices for 20 or 30 minutes. Over time, you will save countless hours of precious time. And you notice that we can also get our communications from our bot. I see Tosh has said thank you. So she's acknowledging the fact that she sees that our notices are going out. And just want to remind you that we're actually doing this real time, and this is a real event that I'm posting. And I'm actually taking my time because I'm doing this demo for you. But I think you can see how easy it is. And we can see confirmation that it's coming into the group chats. We can see that the notices are arriving. Everything's looking good. That's all there is to it, kids. I think you'll agree this is an amazing tool and indispensable if this is something that you do on a regular basis in Second Life. And I highly recommend that you take a close look at this very affordable and very functional tool to help you in doing your online communications in Second Life. So that's about it. In future videos, we're going to take a look at setting up the note card and also setting up your bot, which is all very simple. Realistically, it should only take you about 20 minutes to get this system all set up and running. And I think you'll find that this is the way to go in Second Life when it comes to group communications. So anyway, this is Avant Garde Frequency, your announcer speaking, and I want to thank you for taking time to watch this tutorial, and we'll see you in the upcoming videos on a variety of other subjects, including the new feature of Group Tools 2, which is timed notices. So everything we've done here, we can do in advance and just schedule it, and it'll all run on its own. So you can get this all out of the way of your normal workflow, especially if you're a venue owner or a musician. This is absolutely golden. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next demo. Peace.